Today we'll look at unboxing of a roll-on kit. This is meant for Duke 390cc's. As you can see, this contains a solid bush O-ring kit. So basically this is 112. So this is basically 112 links, 15 front and 45 rear teeth. The MRP is set as 2450. And this is a freshly packed item. So I'll just show you what all products it has. It has a rear sprocket. So this is 45 teeth. As you can see, if you count them, there will be 45. And 112 links chain and a solid bush. So that's the front one. As you can see, that's the front sprocket. This is a very high quality product, all lubricated. As you can see, it's very sticky. So the product is priced at 2450 and it's called HXR 199. So as instructed in the manual, you got to lubricate it with high quality lubricants and maintain them well. Thank you.